There we go. Yeah. Yeah.
You too can get help
Yes.
for catnip addiction.
Are you jealous, Jose? Are you jealous? Are you Jelbo?
She is Miss Jealous.
Come on, Jelbo. Come here, little Jelbo. I know. I thank you. Thank you. Yes, that's a good girl. That's a
Her
good girl,
middle
Jose.
name is
Mwah, thank you. Kisses. I know. You just probably ate a cat turd too, didn't you? I'm sure you did. I'm sure you did. Yeah, it's payback for me touching the other animal, isn't it? Isn't it?
Well, there
Yes,
is
I know.
lots of,
One. Sneeze.
and there's
What?
even, oh, it's good out.
Hey.
Yeah, you first
Oh, she hears others.
eat it and you're like, oh, that's not so hot. And then it's like, oh, but.
Good girl. You ready? What's with the barking? I just want to sneeze. No, the sneeze. Just the sneeze. Not like you're completely congested. No, just the sneeze.
Okay.